So good morning, students. Uh, Now we are starting with chapter Visual Basic and Introduction. So now we are talking about Visual Basic. So what is Visual Basic? Visual Basic is a high level and visual environment of DOS, Disk Operating System based version of basic language. So this is the version of basic language, and here we have two terms: high level language and visual environment. So what is the high level language? When we talk about programming language, so programming language is two types: low level language and high level language. So if we talk about low level language, so users cannot understand easily low level language. In level language we have two categories: machine level language and assembly language. So in machine level language and assembly language we cannot understand easily. So if we talk about machine level language, level language formation of 0 and 1, which is binary coding. And if we talk about assembly language also have some mnemonics. In mnemonics, like short forms available. For example, if we want to store any information, use st. So it is also not understandable easily. So we are moving second category, high level language. So this language is easily understand by the user. In this category, procedural oriented language, and after procedural, structured and object oriented programming language. So this is about high level language. So high level language is easily understand by the users. And now we are talking about visual environment. So if we open your computer, here you saw lots of icons available, and uh, you can click on icons and use it. And second thing is you can go for command, to command window for pressing window key and plus R. So run dialog boxes will appear. So after appearing run box, we can type to open Word, MS Word and Microsoft Word, win Word. So lots of commands are available. You can type the command and use the softwares. So this is the difference between visual environment and command based environment. In visual environment you can use easily by by clicking on icons. So this is about visual environment. After that, there are several different versions of basic language, such as QBasic, uh, Quick Basic, GW Basic, IBM Basic. So developed by different companies. Visual Basic is event driven programming language. So what is event driven programming language? So if we talk about events, so when we click on icon, uh, single click, double click, or any key press, so these are the events. When we click, this is event. When we click double click, so this is event. When we click on keyboard, this is also a event. So when we talk about events, so Visual Basic is event driven programming language. Events mean actions. In several basic users, single mouse click, double mouse click, or any of keys from the keyboard to perform action on any of the objects placed on form than the corresponding events. So this is about the event driven programming language. After the event programming, we see, did you know? So Visual Basic was one of the system that make it possible to write program for Windows operating system. So uh, we uh, we know that what is program is instruction. If we need to uh, go for any task in computer, we need an instruction. So instruction write program. So this is programming. Visual Basic was one of the system that make it possible to write program for Windows operating system. Second is Visual Basic is good example of rapid application development language. We can create application rapidly. We have lots of options available, lots of icons available in this environment, and we can drag and drop and use it easily. So we will move on the next topic, IDE. When we trying to do programming in Visual Basic, we need IDE. Full form of IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So when we talk about IDE, the working environment of Visual Basic is IDE. When we talk about IDE, working environment of Visual Basic. So because it integrated several features such as designing, editing, compiling, and debugging. So these are the operations we can perform using IDE. So what is the uh, mean of compiling and debugging? When we write any program, if any bug is occur, bug means error is occur. So compiler search the error and find, and we can remove all the errors using compiler. So if we talk about programming language have two types of translator. First one is compiler and second one is interpreter. So we can use to debug any program. So after that, its IDE has menu bar, toolbar, toolbox, project explorer, property window, form design window, form layout window. If you need to design any form look and feel, we use form layout window, and code window. If you need to write any business logic, you can write in code window. So if what is business logic? If we think about programming, so programming have some business logic. What is business logic? Uh, we can take an basic example of addition. If you need to add 2 plus 3, so 2 and 3 are data, and plus is the instruction. So plus operator makes the business logic. So if you need any business logic to create a logical operation, arithmetic operators you can use, or logical operators. If you need to compare numbers or other things, you can use logical operators like greater than operator, less than operator, equal to operator. You can define the relationship between the data. You can concatenate strings. If you have two words like first name and second name, and you want to merge first name and second name, you can perform plus operator. For example, Visual Basic do a different thing, but Visual plus Basic, this is concatenation of two words. So this is about Visual Basic introduction. Next video we will discuss about how to start Visual Basic. Okay, thank you.